Hey, what's up everybody? In this video we're going to be taking a look at a tonneau cover that I absolutely love. I've had it for about 4 years now, so I'm going to give you a quick little review and show you around. I'll put a link in the description below should you be interested in this for your particular setup in your pickup truck. But it's streamlined, it has a super ultra low profile to it. You can see it folded down there, and when it's folded all the way up you can absolutely jam pack it full of stuff as I have here. So let's go ahead and show you how this works. You open up your tailgate. There is no key to the top, which I really appreciate, so no freezing rain for a keyhole. If your tailgate's open, then this thing can open. You just pull a little cable there. You can see that cable right there, and each quadrant of the tonneau cover has a cable that you can pull that basically takes the latches out from the rail and allows you to fold it up as shown here. I'm doing this with one hand, as you can see. I've got my camera in the other, and super easy to install the rails. Once it's folded all the way up, you can slide these little pins into place like this, and super easy, fold it down and turn those knobs, and you are highway safe. Highway speeds will not push this down at all. So super secure, super snug, and we'll show some pictures of the drain system and talk about waterproofing in just a minute. But this is how it works. And again, this is 4 years old, and it operates as new. Could not speak more highly of this tonneau cover. It's impact resistant, so the manufacturer claims that it can hold up to 300 pounds evenly, distributed evenly. I haven't actually tested that out, but I have no reason to believe that that's not true. It's a super hard tonneau cover back. Here's what you can travel with. You can fold it up one, or up two, or all the way up as shown. And here are just some more visuals for you if you're interested to see kind of what it looks like from different angles. Again, the tonneau cover is completely lockable if your tailgate is lockable. So once things are folded all the way up, it does allow an extra level of protection. If you are carrying a huge load and something slides forward, it obviously protects it from hitting the back of the window of your cab. And if you're worried about the tonneau cover scratching the back of your cab, they do have these foam pads, so that's definitely not an issue. Now, if you're worried about fading at all once your tonneau cover's down over the years, it fades a little bit, but to be honest, I hadn't noticed any graying significantly. It still maintained its black, overall sleek black appearance. So here are just a couple more angles for you, so you see what it looks like from the front, the back, folded all the way up. Now you'll notice in the center of the screen there's a couple of tubes, and you do pop out the part of the inside of your tail of your cab, and the instructions will guide you through this, but these tubes allow water drainage runoff. So there's some channels along these particular rails to the left and to the right when you install, and any kind of water will run off and drain through the tubes. Now it's important to note that of course no tonneau cover is 100% waterproof. There is a little bit from time to time, but overall it provides a really strong seal and has been with me, trusted through several years now. I just absolutely love this tonneau cover. I think it gives your truck a classy look with all the functionality that you need. Now, the manufacturer does say that you can take off the tonneau cover with a couple of quick unscrewing of some knobs. I have never done that. I've never needed to. I've never needed that extra 3% of tailgate space. So anyway, just wanted to put this video out there for you. Hope it helps. I absolutely love this tonneau cover, and thank you so much.